Hello, today we'll show you how to use the Shynet template I made on a railway platform. To use the template, just go to the template page, search for Shynet, click on it, and you will see introduction instructions that you have to follow step by step in order to deploy well the template. Just click on deploy Shynet. The first question is the repository up and environment variables. You don't have to fill the admin email variable yet because it will be configured later after the first deployment succeed. And just click on deploy, and as you can see, Railway is deploying the project, and in 1 minute it will be deployed, and we can continue. As you can see, here is the log of the Shynet first deployment. I just click on the service Shynet Railway on the first deployment and deploy logs. Startup checks complete. When you see this, you can now edit the admin environment variable. Just go to the service, variables, and a new variable. Type admin email for the admin email variable a@example.ifr. Here is the address email to grant admin access to. You will have the password in the second deployment. Just click on add, and as you can see, Railway just created a new deployment with the updated admin variable. And here is the deployment that succeeded. And as you can see, here is the awaited password next to the example email we filled together. Just copy the password and go to the new production URL that is deployed. You will see a sign-in page, a@example.fr like before, and fill the password. You can add remember me and just sign in, and you can now use the Shynet tool whatever you want, and create new services like example up create, and make sure to disable do not track if you want all users to be tracked using Shynet. And just to try, we will try to request the Shynet fallback image. Here is a small pixel that does analytics too. And as you can see, a new section has been recorded, and you can now start setting analytics on all your services with privacy included. Hope this template will help you leave all GAFAM softwares, and that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.